Hello, my dear lovely children, my dear student. I hope all of you are studying well for the exam, the annual exam, which is 20 to 23. Okay, so parallelly, you are also watching my ANUBHAVA SAARA YouTube channel. Okay, so welcome to ANUBHAVA SAARA YouTube channel. That's my YouTube channel. I hope all of you know. ANUBHAVA SAARA is teaches you very basic maths where you can able to understand in very easiest method, and if you learn this maths through my YouTube, definitely you will be succeed in your career, your life and your curriculum also, and upcoming your future competitive exam also, like any competitive exams, IAS, IPS, UPSC or KPSC, whatever the related to the exam, you can attend easily without having any doubts, and 100% you can able to get through this maths, that I can give you guarantee. So watch this video till end and you will come to know that is it really maths is easy or tough. You can able to judge or finalize from your end, and you can say finally yes, maths is really easy. What I was assuming it was wrong. That you will think it in your way. Okay. So what I can suggest is, let's understand the first question. Let we will move to the solutions how we can get it done. And the questions is comes with different method and it may be slightly difficult to understand, but try to understand the question. Answer will be there in the question itself. That is called a match. For that reason, I used to suggest each one of you to understand the question properly, and you can try to analyze what exactly they are expecting you to do or solve the problem based on this question. Okay, let us start with the question of how much? 63. Okay, question number 63. Date will be 9. So as you are aware, we are going to cover, there are two questions like 63 and 64 in this video. Two questions will be belongs to question paper 2011, that is Navodaya 2023. Okay, so Navodaya 2023 is the exam which you are going to appearing, and the question paper is Navodaya related to the year of 2011. Okay, so don't hesitate to send me a comments, and you try to send all the comments. I'll answer to all your questions without doubt. Okay, so this question will try what question is stand for and what exactly they are expecting us to solve it. Fine. The average of the height. The average of the height of the average of the average of the height of five students. Five students. Five students having height. Having height respectively like 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 is. So this is the question. Let me just write the answer or options. Then later I will explain you how we can understand and we can solve this question. Okay. A, B, C, D. A is how much? 40, 50, 40, 50, 45, 55. Am I right? No, it's wrong. It's 55. It's 45. Done. So this is the actual question. It is the average of the height of five students having height 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students is having this height. So how we can able to find out the average? So anybody knows average will be calculated how? Yes. See, if I can give you a very simple example, if you are going to check your marks card, if you completed any standard, okay, maybe above 10th standard, it will be easy for you to understand. Based on your 10th marks card, you can see how many subjects do you have and what is the total marks and what is the obtained marks or gained marks. Okay, for example, you have a 6 subject and your total marks is 600 and you might have received some 530 something. Okay, this is the total number of subject, this is the total that marks, and this is a gained marks or obtained marks or whatever you have received the marks in the marks card. Okay, what we'll do is, we'll do here to get the percentage, we'll divide by from this. So 6 if you divide, so we can just solve it like this. 536 or 48. Okay, 530 divided by 48. 6 8 ja 48 2. So here 12 minus 8 is how much? 1 10, 10 minus 2 8 is 2. Here 12, 12 minus 8 is 8. Clear? And write it in proper way. Okay, 13 minus 8 is 5, 4 minus 4 is 0. So we will take here 0, 50. 6 5 is 50. So 85% is your SSLC marks. This is how we will calculate the average. I'll repeat once again. You are writing total. You have written or you have attended 6 at exam like subjects and the total marks was 600 and you got or obtained that to 530 marks, which is in the marks card, 10th marks card or PUC, whatever the marks card you have. And what we are going to do is, we are going to solve this. So we are going to divide whatever we received the marks divided by 6. That means we will get 85. That your percentage of what you studied. This is called average method, how we divide. The same manner you are going to apply here. The same method you are going to apply. Okay. I'll show you how we can do it. So let's first we add this. 7 plus 6 is 13, 18, 20, 22, 25. Okay. So 250 is the total. How many numbers we have here? Like subject 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have total 5 subject. What we have to follow the procedure? We have to follow 250 divided by 5. 250 divided by 5. So this is what the average he says. We have totally students height of 5 students. Total height if we calculate, it comes 250 and 250 we have taken, that is the total, and number of students, how many? There are 5 students. This is total, this is number of student. Right? So what we will do now, we are going to divide with the same method what we have done. 250 5 5 5 is a 25 0 0 0 5 0 0. So here each student will be having a average height 50. They are not given inches, they are not given anything. Okay, just they mention height. Okay, so similarly what I have done is it's a 50 only. What my point? So here what is the option for 50? 50 is the B. So for this question the answer will be 50. See, question is looks like a difficult and it looks like a bigger one. The answer is very simple. What you have to do, wherever you go and whatever questions you get related to the average, what you have to do is you have to calculate total numbers. You have to calculate the number of participants are like this, number of people. Okay, you have to make it first total of all the people, and after that you have to make it as a number of people, a number of whatever that they have done. Clear? So if you done it, then definitely you will be having a clarity of this question. And 5 you have to divide with dividend of 250, then your answer will be 50. Clear? So it's very simple. So don't break your head. If anything comes average, as I told you, you just plan accordingly and you can make it. Okay. So let us go with the question number 64. So you have understood the question number 63. Let's go with the 64 question. So you have to understand first what is the 64 question is says, and what are the condition is there in the question, and is there any 10-15% and 50% of the answer within the question itself, that we have to find out. So finding out of the question within that answer is really very important. That's how it's make you to understand and you will be becoming a expert in that. Okay, that you have to do it. It is not a rocket science. You can do it. It's not a big deal. See, if I can able to do it means you can also do it. That's not a big deal. I may have more experience. You may have less experience. That is not the question. Question here is how we are going to analyze the question. Based on that, how you can segregate the part. Based on that, how you can understand the solution to get out from this question to answer. Got my point? So let us see question number 64, what it says. The cost of 6 kg rice. Cost of 6 kg. The cost of 6 kg rice is equal to cost of 8 kg wheat. Cost of wheat. If the cost of wheat is, if the cost of wheat is Rs6 per kg, Rs6 per kg, then the cost of 1 kg rice is, then the cost of 1 kg rice is. See, question it looks like a very big one, very tricky and very like a diplomatic question. Okay, I'll write the answer, then I'll take you through the solutions how we can do it. 6, 8, 12, 14. 6, 8, 12, 14. So these are the options. Their questions is very simple, but looks like a difficult. Fine. What question is says the cost of 6 kg rice is equal to the cost of 8 kg wheat. That means, for example, if you are taking 10 kilo banana for 100 rupees, then 6 kilo or 7 kilo we can consider as here. Let us consider 8 kilo banana has a 100 rupees and your 6 kilo grapes also it's a 100 rupees. That means the cost both are equal. So that's how your answer should become with equal only. That's what they are trying to say. Cost, both cost is equal to the same. Okay. Wheat. If the cost of wheat is Rs 6 per kg, then the cost of 1 kg rice is. Okay. It is not a big deal of question. Question is looks like a really difficult, but answer is very simple. The way how we are going to find out. Okay, I'll just explain you with very simple and diplomatical way. Okay, then definitely you'll understand. What is saying 6 kg rice equal to 8 kg wheat. Fine. This is equal to. That means 8 6 ja 48, 6 8 ja 48. You no need to break your head to do all these activities. Okay, I have done just only the 50% of the answer. Remaining 50% is there. I'll let you know how we can do it and how we can get this answer. Yeah. So what he is saying, the cost of 6 kg rice is equal to the cost of 8 kg wheat. That means 6 8 6 ja 48 equals to 6 8 ja 48. So we got the solution of 50% is clear. So what the question says now, the cost of wheat is rupees 6. Wheat Rs 6 per kg. That means what is the cost of 1 kg rice? Here wheat 6 kg is equal to the cost of wheat is Rs 6 per kg. Wheat, the cost of wheat is 6 rupees per kg. Then we have to know the 1 kilo rice price. Okay. So what I will do now? I will go with this same thing. 6 8 ja 48. Right. So here 6 8 ja 48. Then 8 6 ja 48. Clear? So I'll make you to understand once again. Don't get confused. Okay. 6 8 ja 48. 8 6 ja 48. The similar way 6 8 ja 48. 8 8 6 ja 48. That means here we have a wheat of 6 rupees per kilo, means the rice should be 8 rupees. The 1 kilo rice is equal to 8 rupees. That means this is equal, that should be apply here. 6 8 ja 48, 4 8 ja 8 6. So they are already given this 6. So we have to find out the 8. Here wheat per kilo they are already given the 6. That is 6 8 ja 48. Okay, because this is wheat, no? Wheat is here. 6 8 ja 48 is wheat. Now we want to know the rice value. Then 8 6 8 6 ja 48 is here. Clear? So that means Here very simple, the final 6 multiplied by 8 is equal to 48 and 8 multiplied by 6 is equal to 48. So here we have 6, the 8 kilo here we have, and the cost of rupees is 6 is yes. We can take it 6 here again rather than writing that side. So per kg is a 6 rupees, and we don't know here question what it says. 6 8s are 48 because 6 is equal to 8 cost of wheat. 6 kg is equal to 48. 6 kg is equal to 8 means there is a 6 kilo rice of the cost is 8 and the 1 kilo wheat, then 1 kilo rice is 8 rupees. That means this also 8. The answer is 8. Okay. So say here itself you can answer, able to answer. But I don't want you to do that with the confusion. Whenever you get this kind of question, you just see why. What is the condition they are saying? 6 kg rice is equal to 8 kg of wheat. That means 1 kg is equal to the same. Okay. Let me explain you in different idea to make you to understand. Okay. So how this both are equal? 48. Correct. If I divide from 6, 6 8s are 48. 6 is equal to 6 is equal to 8. Got it? 6 8s are 48. 6 is equal to 8. So we got this solution. Now we have again remaining same 48. What is the number we have? 6 rupees per kilo. Then what we want to know? We want to know the rice value. So 6 8 ja 48. So 6 is equal to 8. I hope now you have the clarity. Clear? 6 is equal to 8 if they says in the condition of question, then we got 6 is equal to 8 means now here 1 kilo the wheat of price is equal to the 8 rupees of the 1 kilo rice. That's all. See, this is how the simple method. You should not get confused. You just think it and do it in a proper way. But your focus should be very clear what questions you are understanding, what type of question you are able to understand and how you can do it. This is the very important you have to understand. Clear? So I hope you have understood and we'll catch up with the new video. So nevertheless, we have a lot of things to learn in ANUBHAVA SAARA YouTube channel. So I will keep on adding video every day one. Even the Sunday also I am not leaving. I hope you might have getting invitation or the pop-up of a video every day, including the Sunday also. Sunday I may have my movies video. Parallelly, this video will become at 10 o'clock every day. That is ANUBHAVA SAARA YouTube channel. Fine. So if you miss something in a day, then you are not going to miss anything. But don't miss me and my ANUBHAVA SAARA YouTube channel. If you miss me and my ANUBHAVA SAARA channel, definitely you will be losing 1 or 2 questions in maths and you will be losing precious time of 20 to 25 minutes watching my video. Okay? Don't lose hopes. Try to understand the maths. Maths is very easy. Maths is a very simple subject where you can able to understand and you can able to crack the exams. But people hesitate and they will run away from the maths. That is, I don't know the way how they are going to getting the information or the way their teacher is going to thought them. It may be they may not understanding and they may think in a different way because these questions will be having a different method. They have to understand first. The teachers, they should do the homework before getting into the class and they have to understand what type or what method if they are going to teach to the student, they can able to understand the maths. Because teaching is a art. It's a art of teaching. It's totally different from just teaching. Teaching in the classroom, it should not be only teaching for the sake of salary. It should be an art of teaching and loving with the children or students to make them to understand. Fine. Let us catch you in the next video. Till that, you watch my ANUBHAVA SAARA YouTube channel. Till that, see you. Bye.